Alright, today we're going over installing Flatpak on Ubuntu. So now, in case you're unfamiliar, Flatpak is a type of application packaging for Linux. It's another way to distribute apps on Linux for developers. Just like snaps, Flatpaks are self-contained. I personally prefer Flatpak over Snap because it's faster to launch, and it'll at least keep my preferred mouse cursor. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so now first thing you're going to want to do is open up terminal, and we're just going to run a couple commands, and I'll have both commands in the description. First, you're going to want to run sudo apt install flatpak gnome-software-plugin-flatpak. Then hit enter, punch in your password, then hit enter, and hit enter again. Then you're going to run flatpak remote add -- if not exists flathub https://flathub.org/repo/flathub.flatpak-repo. Then hit enter, then punch in your password. And then once that's done, you can just simply reboot your system. And then once you've rebooted your system, you'll notice that it installed GNOME software for you if you haven't already. That's because Ubuntu by default ships the Snap Store, which is basically GNOME software packaged as a snap. And the Snap Store does not support Flatpak integration, whereas GNOME software does. So it basically just installed GNOME software for you to eliminate a step. But anyway, we can just go into GNOME software, and then it'll load up the software catalog, including the Flatpak repository. And now once that's done, which the first time launch after installing Flatpak will take a while, but the next launches will be relatively quick. But anyway, you'll notice that if we search for something like Spotify, you scroll down here, you'll notice that Flatpak support is installed, and we can just search for Flatpaks and install them just like regular Debian packages or snaps. Now, if you want to remove Flatpak, just open up terminal, then run sudo apt remove flatpak gnome-software-plugin-flatpak. Then hit enter, then punch in your password, then hit enter again, and then hit enter again, and then run sudo apt auto remove. Then hit enter, and then if we go back into GNOME software, we can see that it'll give us this prompt to restart GNOME software. Just click restart now, and then you'll notice that if we search for Spotify again, that Flatpak support is gone. Now when you uninstall Flatpak, it won't remove GNOME software, of course, so you'll need to do that manually if you want to. And that was how to install Flatpak on Ubuntu. So thanks for watching. If you liked this video, found it was helpful, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.